A calm voice in the dark. Welcome to Black Background Lectures. Jim Rohn once gave the shortest, most complete lecture on success ever spoken. He stood in front of thousands of people and said only 2 sentences. Here is the formula for failure, a few errors in judgment repeated every day. Here is the formula for success, a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Then he paused and let the silence do the rest of the work. No one moved. No one coughed. Everyone knew they had just heard the entire secret. Failure is never a blowout. It is a slow leak. A little too much food every day. A little too much television every day. A little too much gossip every day. A little too much spending every day. A little too little reading every day. A too little saving every day. A too little kindness every day. Repeat any of those small errors long enough and you arrive at disaster, surprised. Success is the same process in reverse. A little exercise every day. A little reading every day. A little saving every day. A little learning every day. A little planning every day. A little generosity every day. A little gratitude every day. Repeat any of those small disciplines long enough and you arrive at triumph, equally surprised. The formula is so simple most people dismiss it. They are waiting for the big event, the lucky break, the perfect moment. They do not understand that life is decided in the quiet, unseen minutes when no one is watching. Jim illustrated it with a story about 2 brothers. Both started with nothing. Brother A decided each day to do 5 small things: read 10 pages, save 10%, exercise 20 minutes, practice a skill, and write in a journal. Brother B decided each day to do 5 small opposite things: watch television, spend everything, skip the gym, complain and blame others. 10 years later, Brother A was wealthy, healthy, and surrounded by love. Brother B was broke, sick, and alone. Same parents, same school, same country, different daily formulas. Jim said the formula for failure is so easy you can do it unconsciously. You can drift into failure without malice or effort. All you have to do is nothing. The formula for success requires conscious choice every single day. You must choose the discipline when you feel like it and when you don't. You must choose it when you are tired, when you are busy, when you are discouraged. That is why so few people use it. Here is the part most people never hear. The formula works in both directions with terrifying speed. If you stop the small disciplines for only 30 days, the decline begins immediately. If you start the small disciplines for only 30 days, the ascent begins immediately. Life responds quickly to daily repetition. Jim told his audiences, you cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. Tonight, do what he did at 25. Take out a sheet of paper and write 2 headings. Heading 1, my formula for failure. Heading 2, my formula for success. Under the first heading, list the small errors you are currently repeating every day. Under the second heading, list the small disciplines you will replace them. Then pick only one discipline from the success list and commit to it for the next 90 days. Only one. Read 10 pages. Save $10. Walk 1 mile. Write 1 page. Speak 1 kind word. Do it every day, no matter what. 90 days from the failure list and refuse it every day, no matter what. 90 days later, you will have a new life. You will weigh less or earn more or know more or love more. All because you chose the simple formula. The formula for failure is easy to follow. The formula for success is just as easy. The only difference is choice. Choose tonight. That is today's lecture. If you want tomorrow's lecture, subscribe. See you then.